Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka number 49. For lower than the yoga of wisdom is action. O Dhananjay, seek thou refuge in wisdom. Wretched are they whose motive is the fruit.
Chapter 2, Shloka 49. दूरेण ह्यवरं कर्म बुद्धियोगात् धनञ्जय बुद्धो चरणमन्विष्य कृपणाफलहेतवः.
Chapter 2, Shloka number 49. After explaining how to develop the evenness of mind through karma yoga by renouncing attachment, Lord compares the two paths in the shloka. He says that the path of wisdom or knowledge is superior to the path of action. Seek refuge in wisdom. In the same breath, he condemns those who are stuck in Vedic rituals whose motive is fruit. Buddhi Yoga means to be established in the devotion to the intellect. When the ego completely surrenders to the intellect, the discriminating function of the thoughts is called the intellect. And when they are in a state of flux, they are called mind. Intellect is subtler than the mind, so it should guide the mind. In the earlier stages, even when intellect can guide the mind, due to pressure of vasanas, it does not listen. It does not come under the faithful discipline of the intellect. At other times, due to the split between the two, the objective and the subjective mind, due to ego and egocentric desires, intellect is not available for guidance. When the vasanas are exhausted completely, then one can be said to be established in Buddhi Yoga. But even when one is in the process of exhausting the vasanas through Karma Yoga without creating new ones, it is called Buddhi Yoga. Lord asks Arjuna to bring his mind under perfect control and guidance of the intellect, and calls those who are caught up in the mental realm with anxieties for the fruits of action thoughtless and unintelligent people. Desire prompted activities create new vasanas, which thicken the veil of ignorance of their own divine self. Selfless work done in the spirit of dedication and egoless surrender alone can clear the vasanas, and a vasana-free mind alone can reflect the self clearly and come to discover its true self. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.